It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Kate Spade Live Colorfully collection. But this one, as you can see, is a little special because it's got a Boston Terrier inside. Now, I'm a proud owner of 2 Boston Terriers, so this watch, obviously, I absolutely love. You guys, not only is that little dog in there as an extra detail, it does something else. So when you move the wrist, it's going to naturally shift its head depending on which way your wrist is turned. That is a super cute detail. I also like the fact that the watch is in gold. So you have the watch face and then the gold detail with the Kate Spade button here, which is super easy to adjust. You just pop it out, turn it like so, and pop it back in. Very easy. And then you also have this beautiful genuine leather taupey color. Well, more like a tan. It's just gorgeous. It goes very well with the rest of the watch. So let me go ahead and show you it on. So there you have the watch on, and you guys, seriously, this is like adorable. I can't even right now. It's so cute. What more can you ask for in a watch? Like, it tells time and you get to see a cute little reminder of what you got at home. Now, they do have different animals available in the same style. This one is obviously perfect for me. Choose the one you like. I know you're gonna love it. That's my point of view.